At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Multiple-time Olympic and world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was presented with the keys to the city of Kingston by Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, during a ceremony on Thursday morning at Woolmer's High. Swaby says the honor reflects Fraser-Pryce's impact in athletics and inspiring Jamaicans worldwide. Wanna hear that, my people? So Fraser-Pryce received the keys to the city of Kingston. Go, my girl. You deserve it. You deserve it. Congratulations to you. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced 3 appointments to the Senate, including senior Jamaica Labour Party spokesman Marlon. So my wisdom warriors nationwide put out this. Andrew Holness announced that the 3 appointments to the Senate is Thompson, Severite, and Morgan. New government senators. When you look and see all these people where Andrew Holness has choose, will come out and tell lie. Tarnish people name, lie to the Jamaican people. And at these type of people Andrew Holness put as government senators, you should know that Jamaica is in real trouble. You should know that Jamaica is in real trouble. So Venetia, from when you work, me think you wouldn't get one of this position. Hey, Venetia, you will never get a position in the Jamaica Labour Party. You will never get it. Never. You know why? Because you betrayed the PNP. You think say people will betray PNP, Jamaica Labour Party, I go trust them? You believe that? So the way me see you out here fight for Andrew Holness, darling, you're fighting in vain. Now you turn around and take set for our legend with your bright self. My God, my people, Jamaica in a serious trouble. Morgan is now a government senate. Rotted wall. Morgan is now a government senator. I can't believe this here. This man will come out and tell pure lie and trick the Jamaican people. But when the labor rights supporters them find out how honesty, which enough of them genuinely don't know. Enough of them genuinely don't know what is going on. You understand? But enough of them know. And through them die-hearted, they not switch. But when Andrew Holness ready for lash and whip on the backside, and Uno come out and start ball, I will be right here waiting. I will be right here waiting, labor rights. And Andrew Holness, when your labor people them find out, say you is a liar, because enough of them don't know. But when them find out, mighty God of Daniel, I don't think it's going to be a nice thing. I don't think so. But Jamaican people, me want to come together. Me want to continue to unite. Me like when me see. You understand? Don't back down. Don't back down. Because enough things are going on in a Jamaica and me not happy about it. Me see them a do ceremonial opening, whatever, Governor General, Deputy Governor General, come out and chat and one bag of things. Let me tell you something. The Governor General are not for the people of Jamaica. Wanna hear me? The Governor General is only put there to oversee Jamaica. This is why when we are ball out, look, it is a reason why I'm not look. You understand? Anything we want to see Andrew do, the Governor General agree with Andrew Holness. Wanna hear me? Anything. So when you hear the Governor General come out, that the deputy one come out and a chat this and a chat that, listen, everything what Andrew Holness do, it is working in their favor. Me telling you already, Andrew is not for the people. So anybody stand with Andrew Holness, stand against the people. Even some of the people, them where you say stand with Andrew Holness, they must stand against themselves. Them not even know. Them really think say a PNP them must stand against, you know, but they must stand against themselves. Because look, Andrew Wallace a take away them land and the style, and them are going like them a idiot. You get me? But me realize I don't like to learn the hard way. I realize that a lot of Jamaicans, if they not learn the hard way, if pressure on a bus pipe, they now go open up them eye. So, uno just hold on, man. Because uno easily forget. Uno no remember nothing what Andrew Wallace did do to uno. No worry on yourself. No. Anyway, my people, uno know so the PNP massive rollout and outside Parliament. Parliament turn up load. Taking this.
What? Parish. Parish. I want to know where I live in another month. No water parish. You want to remain where it is. What? Parish. Parish. I want to know. Parish. I want to know where I live in another month. No water parish. You want to remain where it is.
I want to see what the government tables in the budget, and today is the day. This year is the year for the election, so we hope that the people will be satisfied with what they present and the people will understand what we are saying. So we're just looking forward. We're happy to be here and happy to be alive.
Right, it's like the chanting is call it, Andrew call it, the PNP is ready for the next general election.
100% ready. The fact of the matter is that the last time he was pronounced to call it, and he did, they got a 42 majority, and so I think that we expect that this time again, and we're working on that. We are confident, and our voters are excited, our workers are related, so I think that we have the advantage with the quality of workers and the quality of policies, so I think we're okay.
Right, and as opposition spokesperson on education, if the PNP is to form the next government, what can the education sector expect different under your leadership?
The foundation objective is 1 degree per household. And so we do all the things that are necessary to carry somebody from each household to get to a degree. It means that they must be literate. It means that they must qualify for the university, changing 18% to 80%. So 18% have 5 subjects with maths and English. We're aiming to change it to 80%. And we have a full slate of policies that we will expound upon as soon as the budget has ended.
So my people, that is it. But me wish wholly more PNP did out there. Wholly pa people did it still, you know. Wholly pa people did it. But me wish, listen to me. You see, when time una go out and do a protest, una have to share it out. Una have to make una voice be heard. Make people know say una go protest and all these things. You get me? Because we want to come out in our numbers. You get me? Me like to see when you come out in our numbers. Because Andrew Holness have to go. Andrew Wallace have to go in, can't stay, my people. We cannot allow that. We cannot allow Andrew Holness to be the president of Jamaica. You must be crazy. We can't allow that. So we have to get him out. Portmore thing need to roll back. Portmore parish business where Andrew Holness having a brain, him and Governor General, he need to roll back. Opposition leader Mark Golding has called for a referendum on the government's push to turn Portmore into Jamaica's 15th parish. He made the call on Tuesday as government and opposition members of Parliament, MPs, clash in the House over the bill proposing the transformation. This is what we want, referendum. And at that Andrew Holness I run from. At that Andrew Holness I run from the people. At that we want. At anything we want, we forget it. Anything we want, we forget it. And we are pay tax. Andrew not pay none. Andrew not pay none. Listen, not the minister them most, them not pay tax. None of them not pay nothing. So enough come and consult we. Come and talk to we. Come and ask we. You don't just do as you like. And I agree with Mark Golding. A referendum is needed. And this is what we're calling for. A referendum on Portmore becoming a parish. And a lot of people don't know what referendum mean. Referendum means when the people in a country or an area are asked to give their opinion about or decide an important political or social question. So guess what? We fi make the decision. You understand? We if you come ask. You and your ministers then can just decide say you don't want on Portmore in a parish. That means that you will go anywhere else and do it. You will go down to Westmoreland. You will go up to Manchester. You will go anywhere and do that. And we're not having it, Andrew Holness. So roll it back. Roll it back. My people, wanna tell me what you think? Wanna tell me how you feel about this? Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.